Welcome to Dancing with Tech. We're going to be talking about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the actual device. Yes, the actual device in hand. Also, we're doing a giveaway on an awesome portable mini wireless microphone. This microphone is great for blogging, recording YouTube videos, and so on. And one of the conditions to be qualified is to subscribe to the channel. Also, I will have all of the information in the description below. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And also, make sure you guys like the video. So now, let's go to the joke for today. You know, you guys' favorite part of the show. And the joke is, what did a hat say to the other? Come on, guys. You know this? He said, you stay here and I'll go ahead. I feel like I made 10 videos on the Galaxy S22 Ultra and they are still rolling in, like for real. Anyways, the show must continue. We have hands-on images of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, courtesy of John Prosser from Front Page Tech. The guy, he's hilarious. Check him out. Then Max on Twitter also confirmed this is an actual product. The Note is back in some type of form or fashion, even though they are not calling it the Note 22 Ultra, but we know in our hearts this is the Note device. So no matter what Samsung calls it, this is definitely indeed the Note device we all have been waiting for. What you see is a black model and it looks great. This clearly looks like a matte black variant of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but with some premium changes. On the bottom side of the phone, you can clearly notice to the right, there is a slot that will house an S Pen. No more buying carrying cases or putting the S Pen in your pocket. Those days are finally over. Let's stop and give Samsung a round of applause. Now, if you look close enough to the speaker grill, it's on the right and the SIM tray is on the left. Both have been repositioned to accommodate the S Pen. On the back of the phone, you will see the beautiful black matte finish. I'm personally a huge fan of the matte finish, and I noticed several of my viewers are big fans of the matte finish as well, and they just love it overall. It's good that Samsung is listening to their audience. Thank you, Samsung. Looks like they are staying away from the glossy look, which is a fingerprint magnet. This may suggest that Samsung is going to go for all matte finishes for all of the colors they are offering. Let's focus on the cameras. This must be the most premium design. The patternless camera looks awesome. This is my favorite camera module. The separate lens design still makes the pre-shade as previous rumors suggested. As a matter of fact, the cameras are literally the same as the S21 Ultra. The first camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. You had a 108 megapixel main wide camera. Then the 10x periscope optical zoom laser autofocus on the side with LED flash in between, and your 3x optical zoom. If you look to the side of the phone, you will notice a button placement will be on the right hand side, which is the power and volume keys. So you don't have to worry about a dedicated Bixby button. On the front side of the phone, you will see Samsung decided against an under-screen display camera. I personally feel like this is a good move on Samsung's part. Instead, they have a 40 megapixel front camera and a small punch hole. The phone is also bezel-less with a slight curved corners. The software scheduled to get on the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the UI 4.0 with Android 12. This phone is jam-packed with tons of stuff. Not to mention Samsung will have a 5,000 mAh battery inside. This is crazy because the phone still will look slim. We can expect the Exynos AMD chip or the Snapdragon 898. which will give you better optimization. And the question for today is, do you like the new camera module? Let me know in the comments below. I am a big fan of the camera module. I just love how it looks so separate with little small circles and stuff. To me, my personal opinion, it gives a much premium look, not to mention with that nice matte finish. And if you guys new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're a spectator just looking on, come on, hit that subscribe button. And all you guys, make sure you like it. And do not forget about the giveaway. Remember, one of the things you gotta be to qualify is hit the subscribe button. And I will leave all the rest of the information in the description below. Until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.